Okay, here's the 2014 Ford Fiesta. The story was at about 100,000 miles, the car decided to die for no reason. Always ran great, never a problem, and it just died. Would not restart. Fuse number F22, which is this guy right here, was blown. That is one of the ignition coil fuses. So we tried a few things. We went ahead and replaced coil, spark plug wires, because it needed it anyway. That was all original, and it was inexpensive to do. The issue was, though, the problem was that wire right there, which is a green and brown striped wire that we've now capped off and cut, and we split it and capped it off. It was grounding somehow. So somehow, like underneath, it goes through an entire wiring harness, and it was the problem basically. So we cut that wire and spliced into it a new wire that now, it may not look all that pretty. And with this fuse splitter, it now goes into here, and it has a couple of fuses attached, so it's fine. Also has an inline fuse right there. And the car cranks up fine now. Anyway, so if you have Fuse F22, as in Frank, ignition coil fuse that is blowing for no reason, take a look for that green-brown wire. It'll be running through this harness that runs right next to your ignition coil. Investigate that, see if you can find a problem with it. Otherwise, just splice into it and create a new line that goes into F22 on your main fuse box here. Anyway, that's it, and it's starting to rain outside, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of recap on what happened. Car's now running fine, and that's that. And we didn't see anyone mention that wire anywhere relating to a Fiesta or a Focus dying for no reason, relating to F22's fuse blowing. So that's why we did a video. Hopefully it'll help you guys. Make sure you check out our other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff on our channel. Facebook page, 2 YouTube channels, eBay store, Amazon store. Just Google Horsepower House, and you might find some stuff relating to motorcycles and parts and tools relating to power sport vehicles that you might find handy. So check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.